some people do find it difficult to know their safe days and then their unsafe days or fertile days. What are safe days? What are fertile days? Safe days are those days a woman will have unprotected sexual intercourse without being pregnant, while fertile days are those days a woman will have unprotected sex and then have a chance of being pregnant. Okay, so safe days and fertile days, they go hand in hand. So for you to know your safe days and then the fertile days, you must know how to calculate your menstrual cycle. So for us to calculate or for us to illustrate this menstrual cycle, we will make use of 28 days menstrual cycle. For instance, if you should begin to see your menses from today being July 1st, so you calculate from 1st of July till the next day you will see your next menstrual cycle, that is by next month or ending of this month, depending on how your 28 days menstrual cycle used to flow. Okay, so if you should begin to see your menses from today being 1st of July, you now calculate from today till the 28th day of July. That has formed your 28 days menstrual cycle from July 1 to July 28. That is your 28 days menstrual cycle. So for you to be on a safer side, you have to get a calendar. You can as well form your own calendar with a sheet of paper and pen. You begin to write. For instance, now in this July, we used to have 31 days in July. So you form from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till you finish on the 31st of July. That is a calendar for you. Now you begin to calculate that your menses starts today being 1st of July. So now from this 1st of July until the next time you begin to see your next menstrual cycle, that will form your 28 day menstrual cycle. So if your menses should start from July 1st, that is your first day of menstrual cycle. If it should start from July 5, that is your first day of menstrual cycle. If it should begin from 20th of July, that is still your first day of menstrual cycle. So your first day depends on the first day you begin to see blood flowing out of your vagina as your menses. So as we are making use of 28-day menstrual cycle, you divide these 28 days by 2. 28 divided by 2, you have your 14. So now that 14th day in the 28-day menstrual cycle is the day of your ovulation. It is the day you are expected to release egg. So for you to know the safe days and then the unsafe days, you calculate 3 days before this 14th of July. That is 11th, 12th, and 13th. These are unsafe days. That is 3 days before 14th. And now 3 days after 14th, which are 15th, 16th, and 17th. These 7 days are regarded as what? Fertile days. If you should have sex within these 7 days, you have a high chance of being pregnant if you should have an unprotected sex within this period. But if you should have an unprotected sex from 1st of July until the 10th of July, you are safe. Okay, so your safe days are from 1st of July to 10th of July. Now your unsafe days are 11th of July, 12th, 13th. 14th day, you are expected to release your egg. Then 15, 16, and 17 are still included in your unsafe or fertile days. So another safe days you have begins from 18th day, 19, 20 until the 28th day of July. These days are another safe days you have. If you should have unprotected sex within these 10 days again, you are safe. Okay? Now, you should know that if you should have an unprotected sex from the first day, that is the first day, which is the day you begin to see your menses, you are free. You are free. If you are those men that cannot endure when their women are in menses, they will still have a sex with the person. You are expected not to do that because of what? Sexually transmitted infection. So you try to avoid, you try to abstain when this woman is having her menses. Allow her to finish up when everywhere is dried. That is, for some ladies that do see their menses 4 days, some others 5 days. So if she should begin to see her menses from 1st of July until the 4th of July, or 1st of July until the 5th of July, please abstain. Allow her. So from 6th of July, 6th of July, 7th of July, 8th of July, 9th of July, and then 10th of July, you can have sex with the person. The person is in her safe days. If you should have an unprotected sex with this person, there is nothing that is going to happen. Nothing will take place, okay? The person will not get pregnant because she is in her safe days. So look at what you will do in order to be on a safer side. Do this for up to 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or 6 months. If it should be accurate, then you should now know that you are having your 28-day menstrual cycle. There are some women that do have 29 days menstrual cycle. There are some others that do see their own on 30th day menstrual cycle. So you should observe your own system, know how to calculate the menstrual cycle, know when your own falls in, so that you know what to do, and then you play safe. When you should know how to calculate your menstrual cycle, you now have to play safe. Do not have an unprotected sexual intercourse when you know you are not safe. When you are in your fertile days, please have a protected sexual intercourse. Make use of contraceptive at this period. But within your safe days, you can go raw. Okay? So thank you, my people. Thank you for listening. Please, as you have listened to this lesson, I want you to share this information, because there are some ladies who are still finding it difficult to calculate their menstrual cycle, who are still finding it difficult to know their safe days and then their fertile days. Please share this information in order to help them. Thank you.